Reflecting type telescope. This is one of the important type of telescope, as in case of another refracting type telescope, the aberrations may occur. But in case of reflecting type telescope, the spherical aberration, chromatic aberration cannot be occur, and moreover the image formed will be the brighter than the astronomical telescope. And there are many more advantages of reflecting type telescope over the refracting type telescope. Now reflecting type telescope are of two types. First one is Cassegrainian type reflecting type telescope, and second one is Newtonian type reflecting telescope. We will discuss this one by one. In case of Cassegrainian type telescope, we are having this concave parabolic mirror with a small opening at this edge, and this is arranged basically such that the light which is coming from the distant object and is parallel to its principal axis is made to fall over this surface. Okay, since the rays are parallel, so after reflection they will tend to meet at the focus of this mirror, but instead of falling over the mirror, it falls over a secondary mirror. This is concave parabolic mirror, and this is secondary mirror, right? So the ray will fall at this instead of meeting at the focus, and this mirror in turn reflected back, and the rays will go to this opening where the eyepiece is connected. So I will make it proper. Here this is the eyepiece is connected, and you can view the image at this point. This is known as the reflecting type telescope. It is found that the image formed in case of this reflecting type telescope is real and inverted, but in case of astronomical objects which are far away from it, the size and the dimensions does not matter. So this is one of the important type of reflecting type telescope. The second one is Newtonian type telescope. In this case, the parallel beam of rays are made to fall over this mirror. Spherical mirror, parallel beam is made to fall. Since this is parallel again, will tend to meet at the focus of this, but instead of falling over the focus, the angle is so adjusted that it falls over a mirror which is held at some angle to it. At this point when it falls, it will get reflected back and meet in the eyepiece, and in this case what we obtain the image which is virtual and erect final image. So both these are the reflecting type telescope and having more advantages than the refracting type telescope which we have studied in the astronomical type telescopes. Okay, so the best advantages are, it is first one is no chromatic aberration. Aberration is observed in this case. Second, image is brighter since all the rays will enter the eyepiece due to the reflection. Next is spherical aberration is reduced. Fourth, the most important, polishing and grinding of one side only. Is required. So due to which the cost is reduced and high resolution of the image is obtained in case of reflecting type telescope.